I'm Pea Horsley and I'm an international animal communicator. So I'm teaching animal communication workshops and holding wild animal communication retreats all over the world. I'm also a TEDx speaker. I'm a Hay House author. I have 3 books. One is called Heart to Heart. The other is The Animal Communicator's Guide Through Life, Loss and Love. And the third is Animal Communication Made Easy. And I've helped thousands of people across the world get back in touch with their intuition and develop skills in animal communication. I'd had a bad experience with a website company who just didn't understand my work at all. They were so out of tune with it. So this time around, I spent ages searching website providers and trying to find the right feel for me in my work, and that's when I came across Peaceful. I needed a new website and I wanted a company that I trusted, that I was in tune with, to help me deliver that.
The goal was to transfer her static HTML website onto a WordPress site. She was wanting some dynamic features and a streamlined process for her users to sign up for her workshops and retreats.
But when I saw that they were animal lovers and that they put their dog on the website, I thought, that's it, that's the final sign, I'm going to contact this company. It was invaluable having Nikki as the project manager, because she keeps you with the tasks and she would let me know in advance what I needed to provide so they could continue to with the website. So there was no delaying on the website. Crispin was absolutely amazing as a developer and fault finding. She's really skilled. They've really helped me learn how to use WordPress and to be able to enter my own information. And they've helped me with hurdles, you know, when I've come across things that I've struggled with. I just find them very, very easy to work with.
The 3 of us worked really well together, came up with a lot of great ideas.
I loved the dynamic we created where we would share designs or share ideas, and she was very interactive and also direct with feedback, so it's very clear.
It ended up being a really compassionate, collaborative, exciting process of moving all of Pea's information to her new site, but also learning a lot about Pea and a lot about animal communication along the way, and what was really important, what were all the important features to pull out of her content and showcase on the website.
My favorite part is just, we would get in this rhythm where she knows what she wants, and I like that in a client. She really had a vision of what she wanted and what made sense to her, what felt good to her, like when she looked at something.
All my work is led through the heart. I communicate with animals heart to heart. That's how you do it. And so it's really important to me in my service to the animal kingdom that they resonated with me, and Peaceful Media resonated with me, and I felt that they were genuine, unlike some other websites that I came across.
At the time this project came to Peaceful Media, I had just lost my pet, my cat, that I had had for almost 17 years, and it still makes me sad. That it had just happened right at that time. I had just lost her, and then I had to work on this project. And being in this space every day of working with a woman who connects with animals, communicates with animals, and I'm seeing all this content and watching videos and seeing images, and you know, it was so relevant to what was happening to me at the time. And I believe it was also happening, it had happened to Crispin, at around that same time too. So we all bonded and connected on that personal level of remembering our wonderful animals that have been in our lives, cherishing them, honoring them by creating this website, and helping Pea get her message out so she can help other people.
I'd say Peaceful Media is a very good fit. I'd also recommend them for ongoing support. You know, they're available once your website is launched. They don't leave you high and dry and just walk away, unless you don't want their support, but they are still there available. If Peaceful Media call to you, if they resonate, if you're drawn to them, don't question it. Do it. Trust. You won't regret it.